Kaunti ya Nyamira wase abanyagetari korwase kaunti yo bachakire omugirobo bw'emirimo bene omugorobo rero neye magaga yabarabwo kubwatoka notice yo mugiro ase geka kyamatuko emeronke bere nerimo ase korende batere buna eserekari ya kaunti ya Nyamira techieti ko bategerera nabo igote chieti ko barangeri eliyo gukwanira engane yega nakorengana na Dr. Agrey Orwenyo nyabutyo yore omuriki ase kyombe ya KMPDO Rosagia Rwanyanza nigo aganirie aba gosebali abana inchi korwase kaunti ya Nyamira akoligia obobwenya ase kaunti echo chetanaine ase kaunti ya Nyamira skribatere na tbawo chikoira emiremo yabo wika amagani yabo abeire ga koligererwa muri korwase kaunti ya Nyamira job bank norbotyuru.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Abanyagitari bakolerera obukoleri bwabo asinyagitari kirense kaunti ya Nyamira mbaraliye gochaka omugirobo.
In unprecedented unity, our union, KMPDU, until our demands are met, we are going to join the county government of Nyamira in a lawful and protected strike that they initiated themselves.
Bakoro n'umunyakero bw'ekyombege kwegerera obwene bw'abanyagitari KMPDU Rosagia Rwanyanza Steve Onyango Agrey Orwenyo oyoro muliki bw'ekyombekyo mbayichanira eserekali ya kaunti Nyamira ase ogotaikerania amagani abo ayubabete bakorwa aseri uko gochya serekali ya kaunti amatuko emeronge bere nelimo aetire.
They haven't done anything. As we have been patient enough, we actually, as per the law requires we issue a 7-day strike notice. As we gave the county so many days, 21 days, they have not been courteous enough to us, even to invite us for a meeting to talk about the issues we have raised. And as we have gathered here today, we have actually launched the strike. We will be on strike for as long as it takes for the county to wake up and do what it's supposed to do.
3 years ago, we have patiently and diplomatically tried to solve the issues that we raised in our strike notice. But like we've mentioned before, the kind of responses Nyamira County has given us have been very disrespectful and very contemptuous.
Egatema ganiabo nogo sukigwa ekerogo ky'abanyagitari au baikeraniriye ekerengekyo okwegwe bintu bakolera emeremo namaganio ande.
We have doctors who have been working for Nyamira County for more than 20 years and they are in entry-level job group. The consequence of that is that the doctor is not motivated and the patient is not getting maximum service that they, after having worked for more than 52 hours in 1 week, that doctor is not productive. That doctor is dangerous to you. Employ more doctors so that you can get maximum services.
What is it?
Asebate bambale anye kuirana ase obokoleri bwabo onye serekali ngochiere goikirania okogania kwabo.
We want to mourn with the residents of Nyamira because these are unprecedented times. We did not expect the county to ignore the pleas of the people who voted for them. We did not expect the county of Nyamira to be on strike against the very same people they are supposed to be offering services to. We want to ask the residents of Nyamira that even as we mourn together, join us to fight this level of incompetence. Join us in telling the county governments that no, this is the right way of doing things.
Magayoko raliwa kumugiro w'abanyagitari bona maisonsi nigara serikali ya kaunti Nyamira rindeko ranga ngetambukiro kibara chikoira korwase nyagitari enene ya Nyamira referral ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.